GK question answer part 3 video. If you haven't seen my other videos of this series yet, then after watching it, go to the description box. I have given the link of these videos. You can also watch these videos by clicking on I button above. Today in this video, I have given 25 most important multiple choice GK question answers from Indian polity and constitution. Friends, if you are preparing for SSC, PSC, IAS, UPSC, UPPSC, banking and civil services exams, then you should definitely watch this video. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question. Who was the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? It's a very important. A. Janaki Ramchandran. B. Sucheta Kripalani. C. Padmaja Naidu. D. Nandini Satpathy. I think you know the right answer. The right answer will be option B. Sucheta Kripalani. Sucheta Kripalani was a Bengali Indian freedom fighter and politician. She served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 2nd October 1963 to 13 March 1967. Next question. Who was the first woman governor of a state in free India? A. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Fatima Bibi. Right answer option C. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu governed Uttar Pradesh, former name United Provinces, from 15th August 1947 to 2nd March 1949. She was an Indian activist and poet. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India. Friends, remember this. In various competitive exams, it comes that who is known as the Nightingale of India. Then the right answer will be Sarojini Naidu. Is that cleared? Let's go to the next question. Who acts as the President of India when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? Right answer, option B, Chief Justice of India. Next question. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? A. H.J. Kania. B. M. Patanjali Shastri. C. Sudhiranjan Das. D. Bijan Kumar Mukherjee. Right answer, option A, H.J. Kania. He served as the first Chief Justice of India from 26 January 1950 to 6 November 1951. Question number 5. When a state governor dies or resigns, who normally exercises his functions till a new governor is appointed? A. Chief Justice of the High Court. B. Advocate General of the State. C. Secretary General of the Governor. D. Chief Minister. Right answer option A, Chief Justice of the High Court. Next question. What is the minimum age to be the Chief Minister of a state? It's a very important. Right answer option B, 25 years. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Governor. D. Chief Justice of India. Right answer option C, Governor. Yes friends, Governor appoints the Chief Minister of a state. Next question. The minimum age limit to become a governor is 35 years. The governor of a state is appointed by the President of India. Next question. Question number 10. Who is head of judiciary in the state? A. Governor. B. Chief Minister. C. High Court. D. Supreme Court. Right answer option C, High Court. Judges of the High Court are appointed by the President of India. Next question. Question number 12. How many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? Right answer would be option C, 3. Yes friends, the Constitution of India gives President the authority to declare 3 types of emergencies. First, national emergency. Second, state emergency. And third, financial emergency. Got it friends? Next question. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in 1947 on 22nd July. When and where was the first EVM electronic voting machine used in India? Right answer option B, in 1982 in the state of Kerala. Question number 15. Which High Court for the first time in India declared Bandh as illegal? A. Allahabad High Court, B. Rajasthan High Court, C. Gujarat High Court, D. Kerala High Court. Right answer option D, Kerala High Court. Next question. Who is the first female speaker of Lok Sabha? It's a very important. A. Sumitra Mahajan, B. Pratibha Patil, C. Meera Kumar, D. Urmila Singh. I think you know the right answer of this question. The right answer will be option C, Meera Kumar. Meera Kumar served as the first female speaker of Lok Sabha from 4th June 2009 to 4th June 2014. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? It's also very important. A. G. Mavlankar, B. M. A. Iyengar, C. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, D. Somnath Chatterjee. Right answer, G.V. Mavlankar. Served from 1950 to 1956. The speaker can ask a member of the house to stop speaking and let another member speak. This is known as yielding the floor. Next question. Which one is the oldest High Court of India? A. Calcutta High Court, B. Madras High Court, C. Bombay High Court, D. Delhi High Court. Right answer option A, Calcutta High Court, which was established on 1st July in 1862. Question number 20. Punjab was divided into Punjab and Haryana in the year 1966 on 1st November. Next question. Which is the second most spoken language in India after Hindi? A. Bengali, B. Gujarati, C. Telugu, D. English. Right answer option A, Bengali. Yes friends, Bengali is considered to be the second most spoken language after Hindi in India. Which of the following article prohibits the employment of children in factories and hazardous industries? Right answer option B, Article 24. Article 24 of Indian Constitution prohibits employment of children below the age of 14 years in any factory, mine or other hazardous industries. But friends, remember, it does not prohibit their employment in any harmless or innocent work. Got it? Next question. Free and compulsory education to all children from 6 to 14 years age was made a fundamental right by which of the following amendments? Right answer option D, 86th Amendment. What is the minimum stay essential before a person can apply for Indian citizenship? A. 5 years, B. 7 years, C. 9 years, D. 10 years. Right answer option B, 7 years. Last and final question, question number 25. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy or Manavendranath Roy was an Indian revolutionary, political theorist as well as a philosopher. He was a founder of the Mexican Communist Party and the Communist Party of India. M.N. Roy was the one who gave the idea of the Constitution of India in the year 1934.